Multiple teams on the project can review and analyze their models in the context of a unified project model. By defining a coordination space, teams can create dynamic 3D views when combining multi-trade models or model breakdowns by property. Stakeholders can then review automatic clash detection results without any prior clash experience. Navigate to Settings and select Create. Pick a name for your coordination space and select the folder of models you wish to use. Models added to this coordination space can be aggregated in the viewer and clashed, unless clash is manually turned off. From the Models tab, use the drop-down on the right to select your coordination space, then select the models you'd like to open and view. Quickly create breakdown views using properties in the Model Viewer. Select or deselect object categories, levels, rooms, custom attributes, and more. Saved views can be used to filter clash results. Use this new aggregate view to share with stakeholders in the field or for the next coordination meeting. From within the viewer, you can turn on and off models as well as align models with the coordination space using several transform tools. Using the bottom toolbar, you can fit the model into view, pan or orbit around the model, and use first-person mode to virtually walk through the model. The home icon in the top right will revert your view back to the default starting position.